Hello guys, welcome to my show. It's been a while, I missed you guys. My name is Victor Anyanwu and you are welcome to the social media SWAT show. SWAT stands for strategies, weapons and tactics. So you are welcome to the social media strategies, weapons and tactics show. Alright, so today what are we talking about? How have you guys been? Hope you guys are cool. Alright, so let's get it straight to what we're talking about today. All right, so today I'm going to tell you about something I call the 4 C's of Instagram, right? If you're going to market on Instagram, you're going to make sales on Instagram, right? There are 4 C's that you must take note of. And these 4 C's are extremely important. Very, very important. If you do not know them, if you do not understand them, and if you do not know how to deploy them, selling will not happen on Instagram. So it's actually 4 C's to selling on Instagram. All right, so I'll be with you in a minute where I talk about the 4 C's. All right, call your friends, call your neighbors, call everyone, ask them to watch the show. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, thank you for holding on. Thank you for being here. Now, if you're just new to this channel, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the like button, like the video, comment, tell me what you liked about it, tell me what you didn't like. If you didn't like my glasses, you want another glasses, I will change it. All right, if you didn't like my haircut, you want me to have like Peru haircut, right? I'll change it. All right, so tell me what you like, tell me what you didn't like. This show is made for you. This show is about you. It's not about me. All right, it's about you. So as much as I can, I try to do what would be of value to you, what will make you connect, what will make you like it, what will make you stay, what will make you come back and watch, and what will make you invite your friends. All right, so if you have any topics, any pending issues, anything worrying you, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, Twitter strategies, Facebook strategies, Instagram strategies, whatever it is that's disturbing you, whatever it is that is an issue, please let me know and we'll deal with it on this show. All right, remember to invite your friends. You can share this video so that they can subscribe too. All right, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any show. All right, I release variety of videos and variety of topics every week. All right, so if you are subscribed and the notification button is clicked, you won't miss any, because you will get a notification that I'm live, or a notification that I'm premiering a video, or notification that I've just posted something. Okay, and believe me, it's always valuable. You'll see that in the next minute. Okay, the 4 C's of Instagram, the 4 C's of marketing on Instagram, the 4 C's of selling on Instagram. Here we go. C number 1. What do you think it is? I think it's obvious. Content. Content is the most important C. All right? Everything you see on social media is content. Even the adverts you see is actually content. All right? It's content that was made an advert. You see it now. So everything you see on social media is content. The videos you see, the text, every single thing you see is content. So are you creating content? All right, are you multiplying content? And are you marketing content? Okay, so you can create content but not multiply it. All right, you can create content and not market it. You can create content and not distribute it. So if you create that type of content that nobody knows that you created, how would it be of value to anyone? All right, nobody sees it except you and your village people. All right, so when you create content, when you write anything, when you design anything, when you have any graphics, video like the one I'm making now, or even if it's, text, whatever it is, all right, you create it, you must make sure that you do what? That you push it, you promote it, you market it, people should see it, you distribute it. people should see it. All right, you can also multiply it, turn it into other forms. If it's text, you can make a video from it, you can make graphics from it. All right, if it's video, you can make text from it, you can make images from it, graphics, whatever. As in, you can mix it, you can repurpose it. All right, so create content, use that content to demonstrate value, use that content to show value, use that content to solve problems, use that content to demonstrate your authority in your space. All right, people are looking for experts. People are looking for people who understand the issues, who can solve their problems, right? And you can demonstrate that you can solve their problems by creating a type of content that does. Do you understand? So when you are creating content, let it be a focused thing. Be focused on demonstrating authority. All right, be focused on helping people solve problems. People will run away from pain rather than run to pleasure. So if they have pleasure and they have pain, right, they will run away from pain faster than they will run to pleasure. So focus on pain. All right, focus on helping them deal with their problems. Focus on helping them deal with those pains. Okay, that's what your content should do. While doing that, they will begin to trust you, they will begin to understand you, they'll begin to believe you. Then you can sell to them. You get that part? All right. Okay, now we're going to the second C. The second C is consistency. Even if you're not an authority in what you are doing, even if you're not so good in whatever you are doing, all right, you must make sure you do one thing. You have to be consistent. Why is that important? Consistency in doing something is extremely important, because you might do something today and I'm not available, right? And some other people are available. You might do it tomorrow or another day, and that day those other people that were not available when I was, all right, or those other people that were available when I was, they won't be available. I will now be available. Do you understand? So I would also see it. And you're not doing another day, we're all available and we can now see it. Now imagine if you were not consistent. If you did it, maybe you did it today and I was not available. You now did it, maybe you didn't do it again. Then the next time that you did it, I also was not available. Do you understand what I mean? Right? So I would have missed it. And I want to know that you're knowledgeable. I want to know that you are gifted or you're wonderful in that particular area. All right? So consistency in the thing that you are doing, all right, will show up. You will make your video, make your content, make your graphics, make your image, make your text, make your whatever it is that you're doing, will make it show up in as many places as possible. Then people will now begin to associate that topic with you. Let me give an example. Speed Darlington. Speed Darlington was trying to sing, and that song was Forgive Me. I felt it was crap. But today everybody knows Speed Darlington. Do you understand? Now he acts and does, a variety of other things. All right, but it was because he was consistently pushing out that thing we called crap. You get it now? So it was crap in our heads, all right, but that crap has gotten him other things because he has remained visible, he has remained seen, and now other things are coming. Do you understand? So even if you are doing crap, even if you are saying something that is incorrect, you have to be consistent in it. You'll be associated with that incorrect thing or that incorrect thing. All right, and over time, I'm not encouraging crap, but I'm saying the consistency is actually what works. All right, the consistency is actually what works, and that is how you remain known. That is how you stay in the minds of people. All right, repetition is the way. All right, it's like when you say A for apple, B for ball, C for car, C for cat, or whatever, right? You had said that several times. Now it's stuck in your head. Repetition. All right, it's like you are saying something, it's like a brand. You keep seeing the color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. You associate yellow with MTN. All right, so you see yellow anywhere, MTN. Consistency. All right, that's actually brand identity. All right, when people talk about brands or branding, what they're actually saying is consistency in pushing this image. All right, so consistency is actually very important in whatever you're doing if you're trying to sell, especially online, and in this case on Instagram. All right, Now, another C that is very important is consumers. Your consumers are very, very important. So who are consumers? Consumers are those that consume your content, those that share it, those that save it, those that, that comment, that like it, those that do all the, oh my God, look at that. Ooh. Those are your consumers. Those are the people that make you go viral. All right, they're the ones that share it, they're the ones that post it on their statuses, they're the ones that post it on their stories. All right, consumers. You have to grow a community of consumers. You have to have people that you regularly interact with. You make a post, you're interacting with them. Not you make a post, they comment, and you just boom, you just yeah, I'm the bad guy. No, you make a post, they interact, they connect, they do whatever they are doing on the post. You respond to them. All right, you respond to them. You have conversations with them. Okay, they are very, very important for your growth. All right, because they help you remain seen. They help you go viral. They help you get to the explore page. All right, they help you beat the algorithm. You see all those algorithm things. Oh, algorithm, how do I beat the algorithm? Very simple. All right, make your consumers love your content. Once people, your audience, your consumers love your content, the algorithm will love you. The algorithm just wants to favor them. All right, the algorithm is only interested in favoring them. Right? So if you focus on them rather than focus on the algorithm, there's too much focus on algorithm. How do I beat the algorithm? How do I beat the algorithm? Trash the algorithm. Forget about the algorithm. Okay? Focus on your audience. Focus on your consumers. Right? The minute you start creating the type of content they like, the minute you create more, the minute you find out that this is what they like, and you create more and more of what they like, all right, you will find out that the algorithm will have no option but to like you too, because the consumers like you. All right, then finally, the fourth C. What C is that? Customers. All right, you need to teach your people to buy. You have posted all these beautiful things. You have connected with them. You have provided value. You have provided entertainment. You have provided education. All right. They love what you are doing. All right. They're getting value. They're oh, this is so good. All right. Now, while doing all of that, remember that you need to chop. All right. Because now when man they walk, now they waiting, now they chop. Now make they call and waiting, walk, shop. So you need to chop. All right. So how do you chop? Very simple. Create customers. All right, solve problems, let them pay for you to solve bigger problems. All right, teach them to pay. All right, so for example, somebody has a let's say you let me see what you do now. Let's say you fix hair, and people, or let's say you are an expert in natural hair, for example, right? So people have been having issues with natural hair. Maybe they've been trying to keep it and it's breaking and all of that, and you're providing tidbits here and there, right? Good. So what if you have a product to sell? So you take your product and you say, okay, you've been having these issues and I've provided these tips, and these tips can help you, but these products can also help you. Sell to them. Right? Sell smaller things, get more people to buy in and trust you that it works. The minute it starts working, you can sell bigger things, because you would have people who would have bought those smaller ones that want to buy the bigger ones, because now they trust you and they know your product works. All right? So get customers from your people. Okay? So remember the 4 C's of marketing and selling on Instagram. Number 1 is what? Content. Number 2 is what? Consistency. Number 3 is what? Consumers. Yes, you're getting it. And number 4 is customers. Okay, so thank you very much for listening today. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not followed me on social media platforms, I am at the Oracle VA, at TheOracleva across all social media platforms. You can follow me, say hi, all right, and I'll respond and follow you back. Probably, I don't know. All right, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click the notification button until I come your way again next week. Be good. Use these strategies. Let's know how it works for you, right? I hope you meet your 2021 goals. All right, cheers, bless you.